Hello everyone. The point of sale Cheque Info Odoo app will help user to manage and crucial informations related to the check like bank, customer name, account number and customer check number within the point of sale operations for the businesses that accept the check payments. It ensures efficient check management from the point of sale. After installing this module, let's complete some check configuration. So for that we need to get into the settings. Under point of sale, we need to enable an option named Allow Cheque Info. After enabling this option, user also can see an added payment method for a check. Okay. Now let's create a journal for check. So for that we need to get into the invoicing. Under configurations, we can see the journals. This is the check that we have created for the point of sale, and I have enabled the type as cash, and also I have enabled Allow Cheque Info. Okay, and we need to give the short code as usual. So once I have created the journals, we need to enable this journal in the payment method. So for that we need to get into the point of sale. Under configurations, we can see an option named payment methods. This is the one-time configurations we need to do one time as a process. Okay, so here you can see the check. This is the one that I have created, and I have just enabled the check here. Now all the configurations are completed. Now let's get into the point of sale and work on it. So for that we need to get into the new session. Now in this point of sale screen, let's add an product and let's add the customers too. Okay, and here you can see the payment. Let's do the payment. We can pay by using the check, and here once you add the check as a payment method, user can see an icon, okay, where you can see and check info needs to be added here. And here user can select a bank, add customer name, account number, check number and validate the order. So once every details will be completed, you can just click on the apply option to validate it. Now let's complete the order. Now user can see the printed check number on the point of sale order receipt. Now let's get into the backend. Now from the backend, let's get into the orders that we have placed. So this is the order that we have placed now. So let's get into that. User can see and bank details will be automatically added in this payment page of orders too. So in this way, we can make use of this module to help users to manage and crucial informations related to the check from the point of sale operations. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about an point of sale related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated point of sale features that we have updated. Thanks for watching.